Prime Minister Modi is on a three-day visit to Sri Lanka. Around 7 memorandums of understanding were signed between Sri Lanka and India, focusing on defence, healthcare and infrastructure. The Prime Minister was honoured by Sri Lanka with the highest civilian award. After being conferred the Mitra Vibhushana Medal, Prime Minister Modi dedicated the honour to 140 crore Indians and thanked the Sri Lankan President for the gesture. In his speech, the Prime Minister spoke about the strong ties between Sri Lanka and India. He said Sri Lanka will rise stronger and India will help them at every cost. He also mentioned that India will assist Sri Lanka in building the Sita Temple. The Prime Minister will be visiting the Indian Peacekeeping Force Memorial in Colombo. He is already there and paid tributes to the Indian soldiers who lost their lives while serving in Sri Lanka. Tomorrow, the Prime Minister will be at the Anuradhapura, where he will be inaugurating projects with the assistance of the Indian government that have been built with the assistance of Indian government. He will also pay homage at the sacred Jaya Shri Mahabodhi tree.
भारत के लिए यह गर्व का विषय है कि हमने एक सच्चे पड़ोसी मित्र के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन किया है। चाहे 2019 का आतंकी हमला हो, कोविड महामारी हो या हाल में आया आर्थिक संकट, हर कठिन परिस्थिति में हम श्रीलंका के लोगों के साथ खड़े रहे हैं। राष्ट्रपति दिशा नायक ने अपनी पहली विदेश यात्रा के लिए भारत को चुना था और उनके पहले विदेशी अतिथि बनने का सौभाग्य मुझे मिला है। यह हमारे विशेष संबंधों की गहराई का प्रतीक है। हमारी नेबरहुड फर्स्ट पॉलिसी और विजन महासागर दोनों में श्रीलंका का विशेष स्थान है। आज राष्ट्रपति दिशा नायक द्वारा श्रीलंका मित्र विभूषण से सम्मानित किया जाना मेरे लिए गौरव की बात है। यह सम्मान केवल मेरा सम्मान नहीं, बल्कि यह 140 करोड़ भारतीयों का सम्मान है। यह भारत और श्रीलंका के लोगों के बीच ऐतिहासिक संबंधों और गहरी मित्रता का सम्मान है। इस सम्मान के लिए मैं राष्ट्रपति जी का, श्रीलंका सरकार और यहाँ के लोगों का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। आज हमने किसानों की भलाई के लिए श्रीलंका के सबसे बड़े वेयर हाउसेज का भी उद्घाटन किया। कल हम माहो ओमनथाई रेल लाइन का उद्घाटन करेंगे और माहो अनुराधपुरा स्टेशन पर सिग्नल सिस्टम का भी शिलान्यास करेंगे। कांके संतुरई पोर्ट से आधुनिकीकरण के लिए काम जल्द ही शुरू किया जाएगा। श्रीलंका में इंडियन ओरिजिन तमिल कम्युनिटी के लिए 10,000 घरों का निर्माण कार्य जल्द पूरा किया जाएगा। श्रीलंका के 700 अतिरिक्त कार्मिकों को भारत में प्रशिक्षण प्रदान किया जाएगा। इसमें सांसद, न्यायपालिका से जुड़े लोग, उद्यमी, मीडिया कर्मी के साथ साथ युवा लीडर्स भी शामिल होंगे।
සිය රට දියුණු නව ලෝකයක් කරා ගමන් කිරීමට බාධාවක් පවතින දේශපාලන සංස්කෘතිය සහ අගතීන් විනාශ කරන බවට ජනතාව සමග ඇති කරගත් සම්මුතියකින් බලයට පැමිණි ගරු ශ්‍රී නරේන්ද්‍ර මෝදි මැතිතුමා විසින් ඉන්දියාවේ සිදු කළ දේශපාලන පරිවර්තනයට සමාන අපේක්ෂාවන්ගෙන් යුතුව And
we have similar aspirations as a government, and we appreciate all these events, and I consider it as a matter of historic value. Sri Lanka and India share close links for a long time, and this reflects this friendship.
And Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri has briefed the press on India-Sri Lanka bilateral talks. Listen in.
There is a recognition also at the leadership level that the security interests of India and Sri Lanka are interlinked. Both leaders made this point emphatically today, both in their restricted as well as delegation level talks, and then during the press statements as well. And it is on the basis of this understanding that today the two sides concluded an MOU on defense cooperation, providing further impetus to the existing defense partnership, signifying their shared commitment to regional security and stability. The leaders oversaw the exchange of as many as 7 agreements and memoranda of understanding, and they virtually inaugurated the construction of the Sampur solar power project. They also inaugurated the recently completed temperature-controlled warehousing facility at Dambula, which is possibly the first facility of its kind in the island, and a project for supply of solar rooftop systems to nearly 5,000 religious institutions across Sri Lanka. Prime Minister is only the second foreign leader and the first Indian to be honored with this award, which he accepted not only personally for himself, but on behalf of 1.4 billion people